Welcome back to to the second episode of the Train Metropolis Steam Next Fest Demo 2025. I ran the game a little bit on by itself to get more money because otherwise it will take very long. I hope this episode we can finish it. Cause yeah. I think it's an interesting game for the basic concept. As a mobile game, the big buttons and so on would fit to it, but depends on the price point. If it's for $5 in the end, it's set to release on March 2025. With the current game mechanics it has, it is okay for $5. But if you want to have a bit more, either I think it would be better to get a dedicated clicker game, cookie clicker or something like that, or if you like more the train side of things, get Transport Fever 2, because then you can have more involvement in building things, and also it's more more. We have to have it looks nicer. You have more options regarding trains and transport, and you have also road vehicles and ships and airplanes and so on. And also it's more interesting to watch your network, the trains going on it and so on. So if you want to have more of an idle game in that regard, that you build your route and then wait a little bit to generate some money and watch the trains go, or the wares, or I think Transport Fever would be better, and you have more money than you. I think Transport Fever is a better deal. To be quite honest, it has its merits, in the regard of its simplicity. Other than that, I'm not so convinced. Or if you want a more comfy game, I think there was I don't know if it was Nintendo or something, but basically you had I think it's a Japanese game, where you're basically have a little town and are kind of the local transport company, and for example help them with transporting tourists and the like, which is more comfy, relaxed game where you are not so required to click a lot, but it's also simple, quote unquote. Yeah, let's get to the next level and then I will look for the comfy Japanese game. Comfy. Okay, if you're like driving trains, then Japanese Rail Sim Journey to Kyoto, I guess. Those are available for the Switch, but it's not the game that I meant. um, do I really now have to get into ChatGPT to find the actual game that I want? Don't want. Okay, well, I guess then it's time to use ChatGPT. I am. This is presumably from some two floors below me, I think. The shop. Getting. don't like BT says it's A-Train, but I don't think it's A-Train. I hate Google. When I search for A-Train, then it gives me like Reggie Franklin. Well, A-Train maybe be also a good game, but it's not the one that I mean. I think station to station could be the. No, it's not the one that I mean. Rail grade. Rail grade. What? Okay. ChatGPT says, I think you're talking about Railgrade. It's a Japanese-inspired railway tycoon game with a campaign mode where you build and optimize train routes to transport goods to Flow City. The game is a cozy yet structured square grid building system and features futuristic but warm visuals. Game that I mean is that during the current time. I don't think it's Mega City Railroad. Mega City. Okay. Wait, Mega City Railroad? Yeah, this one is this thing is called Metropolis Railroads. No, train Metropolis. Just is. See. Let's try tiny roads. Nope, but it would also be a good alternative. No. Okay, I cannot recall the game. But anyway, I think you've heard like a lot of games that could be also like quite nice alternative to this one, which are kind of interesting and also cozy, but don't like has less clicking. And as I said, I think like it's better to have like a dedicated clicker game than like this semi-involved thing. And yeah, it's just like personal preference. Um, but at least the choice of music is fitting. But I think it's comparatively generic in the sense of that I think it might be not like dedicated music composed for the game, but from a music library. Because I think I've already heard this music before. Okay. Okay, I cannot find it. At least ChatGPT cannot find it. It's annoying. Which one is it? So, but you can like write your yes to the comment section. I have been actually bored. Aha. Think. Okay, so yeah, so if you want also a cozy train game, which is has like a little bit more depth and less clicking, but it's also hex based and so on. Try A Train All About Tourism. Okay, let's finish this. Come, let's close that. I think it's almost here. So I think I should save some money. Thinking about also upgrading your train? Or... no, I think it should be... Yeah, it also doesn't say like how much money I need to upgrade. That would be nice to know. I think it will be around at least 200k. Yeah, 400k. Okay. Money, money, money. See what's the next money maker. Maybe. Could be food. Yeah, food is doing quite good. Let's use food. get an auto clicker. Well, I should have gotten an auto clicker for that. But interesting that they have like picked the upper as the food symbol. Because like usually, yeah, well, it's minimalist, but usually the like food you use like a. I think usually you use like bread as like a food stand-in. Ironically enough, so. But yeah, then technically you wouldn't need like bakery and stuff, so yeah, apple is like the simplest solution. But I think you could also use like a mix, like, since it's not only apples because it says like farmland. I think you could also use what is it? Like apples and oranges and carrots and so on, and potatoes. Like stuff that's grown in the farm. Technically it would be called an orchard when it is like for apples and so on, right? Because like it's trees. Oh no. Finally. Okay. Hey, this is downtown. God. You need to be. Oh, yeah, that's truly an idle game. Holy sh. But yeah, for that we need workers, commuters, and other people. I think I am very much done with this game. It is nice, but like I feel very empty playing it, to be honest. Like for a mindless clicker, click, 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 or if you like listen to a podcast and so on, or are eating food and then I guess a background thing, then yeah, but like you're actively involved with it then. It has been Train Metropolis. The Train Metropolis Steam Next Fest 2025 demo. And if you want more of this long form content, then subscribe to the secondary channel Plumber Fun Bro, and if you want more short concise videos and overviews, go to my main channel Plumber Fun. And with that, I'm out.